David Haye says that he wants to fight Gaev, Povetkin, or Bastiev for the fight date of 5/21 this year when he's supposed to fight. After fighting either these three opponents, Gaev, Povetkin, or Bastiev, after he fights one of those guys on May 21st, then he'll fight Vitaly Klitschko for September, hopefully. Um, I'm going to say it now, and I've already said this about Klitschko's versus David Haye. I remember when David Haye, and I remember it like it was yesterday, when David Haye approached the Klitschko brothers for a fight. Actually ran them down, went wherever they were, and finally caught up with, I think it was Vladimir, and told him face to face, I want to fight you. Let's go. He met up with Vitaly somewhere else where Vitaly was meeting people and shaking hands, I guess at a boxing promotion that Vitaly was at. David Haye came there, looked him in his eye face to face, told him, I want to fight you. The Klitschko brothers would often blow off David Haye and make him look like, you're arrogant and your time will come and, we got other fights and we're not ready right now. All kind of excuses they gave David Haye. David Haye went up, aggressively approached these guys, got right in their face and said, I want to fight you. Let's do it. No fear at all. Why? Because as I've seen in the ring, I'm a big Klitschko brothers fan. I knew Vitaly Klitschko was going to dominate the heavyweight division after I saw him fight Lennox Lewis. I knew it. He gave just as good as he got versus Lennox, and that showed me a lot about him. Great chin, and he was just as good of a boxer. Great jab, good combinations, powerful puncher. He was just as good of a boxer as Lennox Lewis was. If he's just as good as a boxer as Lennox, and he can hang with Lennox, then obviously he's going to dominate the heavyweight division. I just used common sense and logic, and I was correct. But there is one fighter that can beat the Klitschko brothers, and it is David Haye. Straight up. David Haye can beat both of them. I like the Klitschkos a lot. Not a Klitschko hater, but David Haye can beat the Klitschkos. And not just because he's David Haye, great boxer, great power, good hand speed, good power, and he's more gifted athletically. Okay, athletically, he has better body movement. Okay, good leg speed, good foot speed, whatever you want to call it. Good offense. David Haye can beat the Klitschkos. Klitschkos rather straight up and down. Good boxers, but straight up and down, they kind of lack the athletic ability of a David Haye. Okay, David Haye, good boxer, tall, good reach, and athletic. Moves very well. The Klitschkos are scared to death to fight David Haye. They know this. Okay, Vitaly's not getting any younger, getting older. Vladimir doesn't have a chin. David Haye has power. Okay, remember he fought Valuev, big, tall, 7-foot guy, and rocked Valuev. That's power, people. So that's why they don't want to fight David Haye. The Klitschko brothers do not want to fight David Haye. I'm telling you, it's not David Haye. Recently, David Haye did an interview. It's on YouTube. He has a cowboy hat on, and he's doing an interview and talking about the possibility of him fighting the Klitschkos. And of course, David Haye said, I gave in to all their demands, and they still didn't want to fight. The Klitschkos know David Haye can beat them, and he can. I can't believe people talking about, oh, what are you talking about? David Haye can beat the Klitschkos. I'm like, have you not seen David Haye fight? It's like he clearly is better than the Klitschkos. Klitschkos are good, but David Haye's good too when it comes to boxing fundamentals and boxing skill. And David Haye's more athletic. Hello? Okay? So it's like, and he's quicker. He's faster. And I mean, as far as foot movement and boxing, he's a total package. The Klitschkos are scared of David Haye. They don't want anything to do with him. Well, will the Klitschkos fight David Haye? I think Vitaly, the strong Klitschko with the strongest chin, will possibly give David Haye a shot. And we'll see. We'll see. But they stay away from him, one, because they know he can beat them. He's just as good as them and faster and more athletic. He's just as good of a boxer. He's just as good as a boxer. He's just as good of a boxer as the Klitschkos, but also more athletic and faster than they are. They know he can beat them. They know that. And They also want to make money and just fighting these other heavyweights because the Klitschko's have bills to pay. The more heavyweights you fight, the more money you make. So that's also why they haven't fought David Haye, because if they lose to David Haye and they fight the other heavyweights, people aren't going to respect them. People are going to say, man, you lost to David Haye, but you beat Gaev, or you beat Bostov, or you beat Povetkin. No one's going to respect that the Klitschko's beat those guys because they lost to David Haye. So the Klitschko's are going to beat all these heavyweights, and they're going to fight David Haye last. Okay? And that's how it's going to go down. And it will probably be the Klitschko brother with the strongest chin being Vitaly. So I think that's what's going to happen. I think they will fight and watch David Haye beat him. Watch Vitaly Klitschko in that fight be straight up and down as he always is. Excellent boxer, excellent reach, awesome jab, works off the jab. Watch Klitschko in that fight do his thing and box like he normally boxes. But watch David Haye with the upper body movement, the jab, combinations, hand speed, power, the movement in the body, the movement to jump in, jump out, good strong legs. He has an advantage over the Klitschko's. David Haye's the total package. Okay, and I can't believe people don't see that when they watch David fight. Ah, man, Klitschko's will knock out David Haye. He's a joke. The Klitschko's are running from Haye. David Haye isn't running from the Klitschko's. Get it right. And thanks for watching.